Some Firestone.
What up, what up, what up? Y'all see where we at? I want to show y'all. This downtown LA. So, this being said, getting all the toys, getting all the stuff. I don't know why it wasn't filming me direct, but I want to show y'all the footage. So, we come. Y'all got hoverboards? Some hoverboards, man. See what I'm saying? So, you come downtown LA. This downtown LA, right? I'm gonna have HP film me right quick. I'll give y'all some game about downtown LA. We down here looking for some hoverboards right now for the kids for Christmas. So, what up, what up, what up? Y'all know who it is. It's me, Terry Wroten. Look, we down here downtown LA, right? If you're trying to start a business, before you start a business, you come to where they call downtown LA. It's got the biggest economy in the world when it comes to selling stuff, retail, stuff come from China, distributions and stuff like that. So if you in the LA area or you close by and you want to get into like retail and just selling stuff, come shop downtown LA. Look what people got. This is where you find out what's trending and what's not, what's hot and what's not. Like, come on, man, it's Christmas time. Let's see what we got here. So, see all the toys. Instead of going to Walmart, you come down here. You get her seat, baby. So you come down here, instead of going to Walmart, if you want to make some quick money, come buy some toys from downtown. Then you go set up you a corner somewhere in one of these cities, because a lot of people don't like coming down here. You see how congested it is? There ain't no cars down here. So guess what? Look at all the traffic. Look at all the traffic. So you see this? A lot of people don't want to come down here because of the traffic. So a lot of people will pay that extra convenience just to, you know, not to beat all the traffic. So come on, let's go. Hey, mama.
Hi, how is that?
So I bought my t-shirts from right here. Look, they got the t-shirts. You get the 5 for 10. You see this little t-shirt? I got this t-shirt from right here. So mama, she be looking out for me on the t-shirts. Get y'all 5 for 10 downtown LA. Like I said, tell her again, mama.
Hi, how are you? Merry Christmas, everybody.
But like I said, man, we're gonna keep touring downtown. Look, come on. Look, that's what we looking for, shit like that. You feel me? My daughter might want something like that. So, I think Toya likes something like this. You got hoverboard?
They're right over there. They got everything.
They got hoverboard?
Go down the alley to the right.
See, that's what we talking about. You come down here, they're gonna direct you in the right direction. Look, you want some speakers? So like I said, I got HP Ennis with me, man. The funniest man in LA with me. And we, you know, we touring downtown right now, right? But I'm gonna show y'all how to get some money from downtown. Watch me. Look at mama in the perfume and cologne. Hey, baby. See, look at the cologne. Look. You come and get some perfume and cologne for about $20, and it probably retail for $60. You sell it for $40. You doubled up your money. I know everybody down here, right? Just because I'm black, that don't mean I don't got no like familia down here. You feel what I'm saying? Come on, we're gonna find this hoverboard. It's moving fast because I'm trying to beat the crowd. Like, show all the people down here, man. You see this? We're trying to beat the crowd, man. Hi. Look, here go Coco. You want some jackets? Look at these. This is spiritual healing type stuff. Look, they got the sage. I know people who come buy sage from down here. Buy this sage from down here, and then you go sell it. Like that sage right there, $5. I know people come get it for $5 and sell it for $10. Just a quick little double up. But we're on another mission. We're trying to find some hoverboards for the kids. Hey, baby. So look, show some of these markets though, man. This look. Let me show y'all something, right? Y'all ever seen people going to the laundromat and selling socks? You come down here, get them $5 for $1, right? and then you see 5 for $10, that means that's $2 each. You might could come in here and work a deal. Pops, I got $50. $50, Pops. What can I get for $50? He might give you, instead of 25, he might give you 35. Then you gonna sell them for $5 a pop. $5 a pop, and you spend 50, that's 150. Just give you some free game, man. Uh-oh, did we find some hoverboards yet? Let's see. Did we find some? Now look, this is a question before we go in there. How much y'all think this hoverboard gonna cost us? I might get Tori. This that car we just seen a lady in. She was doing it with the remote with her phone. But HP and me, we come get some hoverboards. So we can find some hoverboards. That's what we're gonna get.
Yes. Okay, sure. Have a good one, guys.
You got a pink hoverboard? Pink?
Yes. 130? 120 for this.
120. She said 120 for us. So you want to get the pink hoverboard?
You got a pink one?
Yes, dama. Hola, chico, hola.
Me mandó Carlos para acá. Bueno, ya no sé Carlos.
Sí, yo sé que sí.
Oh, it's chrome pink. This called chrome pink.
That look good though.
Look, this called chrome pink.
That look good.
It ain't the pink. But look, there's some other ones over here. Mama, we'll be right back, and they got the other pink right there.
Oh, I like
Look.
those. I like these.
These right here, this is my boy.
These are
My
nice.
old boy right here, he gay as fuck though. I ain't gonna say that, but he gay as fuck. No disrespect to the gay people. This is my boy, but he gay as fuck. Boom.
Ooh,
There you go.
Yeah, there we go. I want this one right here. This
Pop,
the
where
one.
your old ass
We
at,
want
man?
that one.
Hey, there you go. This is my boy right here. That's Pops.
We want that one.
That's Pops right there. Pops, don't act like that on my camera, man. Not today, man. Don't act like that, man. Don't act like that with me today, man. That's what I could have brought my boy while we filming to come get a hoverboard for his daughter. Pops, don't act like you don't here with that gay shit today, man. Come on. Come on, Pops.
This is that one.
That one? For you guys, I'll give it to you 110, bro.
You can't beat that.
Let's
110.
go right now.
110, bro. 110, bro.
Don't start that gay shit today, Pops. Don't what that motherfucking thing you had? What that thing you had go like this back there? What that motherfucker? That's Pops though. Y'all come fuck with when y'all downtown. Y'all come fuck with Pops, man. Look, we just went over there. They said 130. Then right there they said 120. Pops said 110. Can we beat that?
No way.
Can we beat that?
No way.
So y'all downtown, y'all come fuck with Pops right here, man. That's what y'all come do. Listen, I got a better deal for you right now. Let me get 2 for 200, Pops. No. 1 for 110, 2 for 200. This is called negotiating with Pops. He gay as fuck though. This is my boy. It's my boy. It's my boy. But look, he said 1 for 110. This is called negotiating. When you see Pops.
Baby, you sell that on 40.
No, this for my daughter. This for his daughter and my daughter. I'm not doing no more selling. See, he used to be selling shit. He said I'm gonna come buy from him and sell it for, get it for 110 and sell it for 200. He said he gave us a special. He won't go to 200 for 2. So we're gonna get the 1 for 110. Pop, fuck it. Meet me halfway. Look, 110 times 2 is 220, right? I want it for 200. You said give you 220 for 2. Meet me halfway. I'll give you 210.
299 cents.
210.99. No taxes. Told y'all, I come down here and fuck with Pops. You know, Pops used to be my boy. He gay as fuck though, right? He had them toys somewhere down there. I don't know if he still got them years ago. But y'all know when y'all see this, y'all come fuck with Pops, man. He a good dude. They good. They been here for a long time. Give me 2 of them, Pops.
Right now, I sold how much? 130.
This the same. That's the color.
Look, he want to show me his cheat sheet. Look, he gonna show motherfucker. Right now, I sold 136 of those. He want to show me to let me know I'm getting a deal. See? I know I'm getting a deal. Let me get 2 of them. Yeah. 210. He just said 210. See, this is my Pops. See, that's why his gay ass. That's why. And you just said 210. Look, he going. Pops, he gonna get the box right now.
give it to money. I don't need to dance. I need
I need to
money.
dance for my people that's watching. They gonna come shop with you, motherfucker. When these millions of people see this, they gonna come shop with you. I'm giving you
Well,
some
how
of my
you-
customers.
How you know which color is which? Here, bro. Oh, you getting both the same color?
Nah, I want the camouflage one. I don't want this
Oh, you
one.
want the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want the one he wants.
Right here. Okay.
So look, I'm giving y'all, you know, a plug right here. Y'all come get the hoverboards. Like, he think I'm gonna go sell them. They for my kids, because, you know, I'm gonna sell some shit like a motherfucker. But I ain't selling today. I might come buy some more to give away to some kids for free. Alright, man. Look, I'm gonna see y'all later. Like I said, man, if y'all wanna make some money, y'all come look downtown and see what the fuck y'all can get for half off and then go sell it in the city somewhere. Free game. I ain't gonna keep giving y'all this free game for free. Sometimes y'all gonna have to pay me for this shit. Like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what y'all think.